Hi, welcome to class. This is Math 100, section W01 for the summer 2018 term. This video will serve as a quick introduction to show you how to get started and what is expected. First thing you want to do is go to the main Calhoun webpage, calhoun.edu. You want to left click your My Calhoun icon or your Blackboard icon to log into Blackboard. If you left click the My Calhoun login, you will end up at this page where you will enter your C number and your password, which will then bring you to your My Calhoun page. Notice that you will have a link for email, Office 365, and Blackboard. This is where you can do email, where you can download or use Office 365 on the web. Let me show you what Office 365 looks like from our page. If you left click Outlook, that will take you straight into your email client. You have access to OneDrive. You also have access to all of these programs as web-based, or you can install the Office apps to your computer. This will work for either Windows or Macs. And if you download it, you have five licenses, so you can load it onto 5 different machines, which will include your tablets and your phones. So getting back to this, you're going to left click Blackboard, which will take you into your Blackboard account, where you will then left click on your link for Math 100. This will bring you into the main announcements page, where I will post any announcements regarding the course. I will send weekly announcements, and I will be posting an introductory announcement. Additionally, these announcements will also come as emails for you. So you need to be paying close attention to your emails and paying close attention to the announcements. First place you want to go is course information. If you left click that, you will see these 8 different tiles which contain important information. I would recommend that you inspect each one of these and make sure that you understand exactly what's expected of you. So here's the Instructor Introduction, which includes my contact information. Your course syllabus. If you left click that, you can download that as a PDF file. College policies and procedures will take you to another website or another part of the Calhoun website. This has your course overview, which gives you the basic content information of the course, plus an assignments due date or weekly list of assignments. This is also included in your syllabus. Course objectives for the course. Student and instructor expectations. Please read through these. I would expect that if you have any questions, you can let me know concerning the student and instructor expectations. And as I say in this, it is just a list. It's not all inclusive, and they're just mainly guidelines. The communication policy for the class. Here's your email format and etiquette, and the course communication policy, which is a link. Then finally, student resources. If you left click that, that takes you to another part of the Blackboard website in order to give you access to all of these different resources. Notice there's Office 365 again. So you have multiple different ways of accessing a lot of these things. So first week's activities, if you left click on that, it will tell you exactly what to do. Watch the orientation video, read the syllabus, get logged into Aleks, take the Aleks initial knowledge check, which is mandatory for the first week attendance, and you need to email or message me with any questions, and have a great week. This right here is a link to Aleks Login information, which means that if you left click this PDF, it will give you the information that you need in order to register in Aleks, which is the primary program that we'll be using for the course. Okay, if you have any questions about that, please let me know. You will need the following right here where it says Math 100 class code and financial aid access code. In order to register in Aleks, you need this class code. You do not need the financial aid access code if you have already purchased a class key for this, or an access code. And then this right here explains what Aleks is. So there's two things that we need to do here. We need to talk about course content, and we need to talk about Aleks. First off, I'm going to show you how to log into Aleks. You will left click the Aleks link on the left hand side of your Blackboard screen, which is then going to redirect you to the McGraw-Hill website. You will then left click the Aleks link. Now for me, it's going to take me directly into my Aleks account. Aleks will require you to register. Now if you did take Math 098, it will be a little different. You will not have to purchase a new class code for this. You will, or I should say access code. You will be able to continue using Aleks. It's just going to put you into a new class. If you have any questions about that, please contact me. So getting back to Blackboard, I'm sorry. Let's just go ahead and understand that you are going to do all of your work in Aleks. You're going to do your assignments, which is going to be, which means that you will have to start your initial knowledge check. If you left click that, it will walk you through your knowledge check. You can skip the knowledge check, but don't. I'm going to do it right now so that I can go ahead and show you the layout. You'll notice that on the left-hand side of Aleks, you're going to have a menu set up similar to what's in Blackboard. And you're going to start in the Learn. And this is going to give you your timeline. And these are all of your objectives across the top. And what you're going to do is you're going to click into the objectives that are open. And then you will start working your problems. I recommend that you work in Aleks with a notebook. You're going to need to write this stuff down. You cannot merely guess in this program. You have to actually do the work. There are ways to get explanations. This will give you a printed out explanation. You'll notice on the right hand side that the calculator is grayed out, so they don't expect you to use a calculator for this. There are videos. If you left click that, that gives you videos that relate to the topic that you're working on. This will take you into the textbook. This is a dictionary of terms that you're going to use. And notice here you can send me a message. I would recommend that you use Calhoun's email client to send me a message. These do not always work for me. And then you can also print out your assignment if you need to. Down here it says more practice, so I can restart the problem after having reviewed. And you're going to work through all this. In addition, you're going to need to look at your assignments, which is where you're going to do your tests and sample tests. I recommend that you go ahead and take the sample test first so that you practice for each test and it gets you ready. You have 3 attempts at each sample test. Definitely pay attention to the calendar, which is located in Aleks, and this will give you your due dates. In addition, as I said, your due dates are also contained in Blackboard. If you have any questions navigating through Aleks, please let me know. So once we're back into Blackboard, I want to show you course content. Once again, you've got your start and end dates for each chapter, and also for each of the assignments, i.e. the sample tests and tests. If you left click the link for each chapter, you're going to have a review or multiple reviews. And if you left click on that, it's going to simply be a practice sheet or worksheet, and it will also have an answer key to go with it. Now, notice that there are class videos, and you're going to want to watch each one of these class videos, and it will open in your web browser. There's additional videos for each topic within the subject area that we are working in. There are also class notes, which give you some factoring notes, and that's a PDF, and it's based upon the videos. In addition, there's going to be a factoring guide, and this is just simply a Word document, and you have the amazing method handout, which also is a Word document, and these will help you in Chapter 6. So I recommend that you go through every single chapter before beginning, just so that you get a feel for the layout. And that's basically it for the class. If you have any questions, please let me know. And once again, make sure that you read through all of the course information. Thanks, and have a great semester.